Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious faux plant-based chicken salad. It was so good. So if you're interested, stay tuned and keep watching. So to make this, you're going to need 2 cans of garbanzo beans, black pepper, some crushed pepper flakes for kick, some onion powder, some vegan mayonnaise of your choosing. I chose Hellmann's, 2 stalks of celery, and then you're going to start chopping your onion. Now don't pay much attention to the knife that I'm using in this video. It is a steak knife, I know, but it did the job. And yeah, so anyway, you're going to want to cut these into small pieces. You don't have to worry about them being too small because you're going to throw them in a food processor that will chop them even smaller. You just want them into pieces that your food processor or blender can handle. Here you're going to go ahead and chop up your celery stalks. As you can see, I have a wasteful. It saves a lot of time and you don't have all that mess left over on your counter from cutting up your vegetables. So yeah, I'm going to cut those also not into very small pieces. You can cut them to your liking, and if you do like the taste of celery, you can go ahead and add more. If you like the taste of onions, you can go ahead and add more. And you're going to of course go ahead and open your cans of beans and drain out the liquid. You do not want any liquid in your faux chicken salad. So here I am. I'm going to place the garbanzo beans into my food processor along with my celery and onion mixture. I'm going to go ahead and cover it and start pulsing it into smaller pieces. And I did that for a few seconds. And now I'm going to go see what consistency it is. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my seasonings. I'm going to add my onion powder, my salt, the black pepper, and the crushed red pepper flakes. And then here I'm going to add my the vegan mayonnaise. I didn't put much inside because me personally, I like to add more mayonnaise at the end when I make my actual sandwich or wrap. So right here, that was about 2 tablespoons. If you want more, you can add more. If you want less, you can do less. It's all according to your taste, but I only put 2 tablespoons. And as you can see, it is at a very chunky like consistency, and I am going to go ahead and blend it just a little bit more just to get my consistency right where I want it. And like I said, you can do this to your liking. If you like it to be more chunky, you don't have to blend it as much, but I liked mine not as chunky, so I wanted to falsify it a little bit more. And there you have it. This is your plant-based chicken salad. And like I said, it looks very, very good. So right here you see me making my wrap for lunch. And I'm adding a lot of mayonnaise to my wrap. I really like mayonnaise. So yeah. But anyway, yes, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you make this recipe, let me know. And let me know if you made any tweaks to it or if you liked it the way it was. So like I said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to come back to my channel next time. Have a great day. Bye.